is chilly in the workshop today. Winter is definitely on its way. If you want to watch how I made these, check out the last video. But for today, we're not going to be playing with Wolverine's claws. Oh no, we're going to be making a winter special kettle. Whoa, warm those claws up, baby. Right, so the kettle. What are we going to make the kettle with? So, obviously we're going to need a kettle. Gone for the old-fashioned whistling kettle. It's going to need something to heat it up. I'm not going to go electric, I'm going to go gas. The old butane canisters, camping gas canisters are brilliant for this. And we're going to need some way of actually getting the gas to the kettle to heat it up. So my plan is... Won't be needing that. So I'm thinking old camping stove. We take the gas bit out, take where the bottle sits, we mount it in some cool sort of like retro metal container of some kind. Get that, mount that in there, boom, self-concealed, self-heating kettle. Let's get on with it. Ooh, hiya. So there we have it, the portable kettle, suitable for anyone's needs. This thing is going to be a lifesaver come winter. So Truth being told though, this kettle is an absolute liability. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. That did not go well. Yeah, the gas leaked a fair few times when shooting the video, went everywhere, nearly exploded a couple of times. Also, it gets way too hot for the canister to be where it is, so that is also a dangerous thing. But I did manage to get a cup of tea out of it. So if you want to see more videos like the kettle, please like and subscribe. And in the future, I think I'm going to be moving towards something motorised. Something with 3 wheels. Something that can drift sideways. Yeah, I'm going to be building a drift trike. Whether or not that happens in the next video or the videos after, it will be happening. I've decided it now. I've bought the metal for the drift trike. All I need to do now is source a BMX front end and obviously like the engine and running gear. But the drift trike is definitely happening. It's going to be a little winter project. So, thank you for watching this video. Like I just said, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you in the next one.